everyone, Chef Anna here again. Did you know that Friday, May 7th is School Lunch Hero Day? School Lunch Hero Day is the day where we recognize all of the hardworking people that come together to make the school meals that help us fuel up our body so we can fill up our minds. So, to celebrate, in today's demo, we're going to be featuring a School Lunch Hero Superhero Sub. In your curbside meal pickup, you should have received a container with the following: turkey ham, sliced turkey meat, some shredded mozzarella cheese with some shredded cheddar cheese, a hoagie bun, and then of course our special herb mayo that we'll talk a little bit more about in a second. Some additional items you're going to need are a baking sheet, some nonstick spray, and a spoon to spread your mayo with. You're also going to need an oven preheated to 350 degrees. If you don't have an oven at home, you can also use a toaster oven, or we'll provide microwave instructions for you as well. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray our pan with some nonstick spray. I've already done that. Then we're going to take our hoagie bun and we're going to place that on there just like that. We're going to take our special herb mayo that we'll tell you a little bit more about in just a minute. And we're going to spread that on both sides of our hoagie. Alright. Then we're going to take our 2 slices of our turkey ham here, and we're going to spread that out on this side. Then we're going to take our deli turkey ham, and we're going to place that on there just like that. Then last thing, we're going to take our shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and we're just going to spread that out on our bread just like that. Alright. And then we've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and leave the sandwich open, just like this, and we're going to toast this in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, just until the cheese is melted and the bread is nice and golden brown and toasty on the edges. We'll see you back in a second. So while that sandwich is toasting, let's take a look at the herb mayo we just used. Our herb mayo was made from low-fat mayonnaise and a blend of spices. Our spices included dried basil, dried oregano, dried parsley, red pepper flakes, and Parmesan. Flavored mayos, also known as aiolis in restaurants, can take a plain, boring sandwich or even a burger and help it take that flavor profile up to the next notch. Here are some examples of fun aiolis you can try at home. Cilantro aioli, using mayo, finely chopped cilantro, lime juice, and garlic. A chipotle lime aioli, using mayo, lime juice, and finely diced chipotles in adobo sauce. And a basil aioli, finely chopped basil or pesto with lemon juice and mayo. Another great way to load up your sandwich with not only flavor but nutrients is to add veggies. Try taking your lunch to the next level by adding some of these veggie options: tomatoes, sprouts, mushrooms, peppers, avocado, onions, or maybe even olives. So here's our sandwich fresh from the oven. We want to cook it until the cheese is melted and the edges are nice and golden brown with a soft center still. At this point, you can load it up with some of the veggies that we talked about just now, or you can enjoy it just like this. We'll close it up, and it is ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this special menu feature for School Lunch Hero Day, and be sure to thank your School Lunch Hero at your next curbside meal pickup. See you next time.